Hi and welcome back to Tiffany Shadley, How Can a Girl? I have June 2019's BoxyCharm, so I'm going to get right in. If you guys do not know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly subscription for makeup. You'll get 5 to 6 full-size products for $20. I'm so excited this month. This month is BoxyCharm Getaway. So the first item that we have here is the Skin and Company. Now, this is Truffle Therapy, Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. Now, this is the Whipped Cleansing Cream made in Italy. Now, I'm so excited about trying this product. Let's see how many ounces. There is 3.38 fluid ounces. Now, again, this is a full-size, this is a full-size product. I did not mean to drop it. And I am so excited. Let's see what it says on the back, and then I will tell you guys how much it is. Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream is a gentle yet effective cleanser. That makeup remover is highly concentrated with antioxidants, skin-soothing botanical extracts to renew dry and dull skin. Packed with the black truffle extract and sweet almond oil, this powerhouse cleansing is full of essential fatty acids that deliver intense hydration while improving your skin's resilience and tone. So I'm so excited about this. Let's see how much this goes for. So the full size is $25. So I'm really excited about that product. The next product that they sent me, guys, I've seen a lot of people getting this. No Pore Blem. No Pore Blem. Prime Essence. Now this is a flower extract, and this is made by Touch in Soul. Now this is 1.01 fluid ounces, which is 30 milliliters. And I'm going to go ahead and open this right now. I'm going to try to I had to try to swing that out of the box because I'm working with one hand. Okay, so this is what it looks like, just like the box, same colors. It's pretty big. I mean, again, guys, we're getting full-size products for $20. It values over $120 as it is, and it doesn't say anything on the back or anything, but this is a really great primer. I've used other primers from this company, so I'm really excited. So the full size for the Touch in Soul is $23. Okay, guys, we're going to get into the next product, and this is Dominique Cosmetics, and I believe the color is called Peach Tea. So I'm going to show you guys, and it's really hard to pick up on my camera. Let's see. So when I took this out of the box, it's so beautiful, such a beautiful packaging. It says Lemonade. And the full price for this is $17. And I'm just going to show you guys how pretty this is. I am going to swatch this, but it's so pretty. The packaging is so cute. So adorable. So I went ahead and swatched this on my hand so you guys can see. It's kind of hard because I'm really tan this summer. But it's a very, very pretty pink, very beautiful. And even the packaging is just so beautiful. I can't even believe what I'm about to show you guys next after I tell you guys about the Dominique Cosmetics. But $17 for this hydrating shine. I am so excited about using this for the summer. So, so adorable. Now this next product, I am so excited, you guys. I love anything from the company Tarte. High Performance Neutrals BU Naturally eyeshadow palette. I'm so, so excited. So it just is all purple. I just wanted to show you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And the packaging is so cute. It kind of matches the BoxyCharm theme. See, like with the leaves, so beautiful with the purple and the green. So when you open it up, it is a mirror, but I blocked it. Sorry about that. This is how it looked when I opened it. It kind of looks all dirty. But it is very beautiful colors. I am so excited. I love the company Tarte. So let's get into these colors. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them now. So again, when I swatch stuff, it doesn't really show up, but you can see all the glitter in these high pigmented eyeshadows. So beautiful. So, so beautiful. And I will tell you guys the names of them right now. I just want you guys to look at them like this, and then I'm going to show you guys the names. So we have Daybreak, Sunbeam, Explore, Dusk, Earthly, Tropical, Crystallized, and Glacier. So it does say it was made in the USA, which is awesome. The next item they sent me is Dirty Little Secret. Now this is a lip liner, and I am going to open this up and I'm going to swatch this. But this is made by DSL Cosmetic Shop, or it says www.shopdirtylittlesecret.com. So let's see how much this is going for first. Let's see, Dirty Little Secret, $15. Smooth and creamy, this Dirty Little Secret lip liner is here to help you create the perfect pout. Cool. Okay, let's go ahead and open that up and show you guys. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks like this, and I'm going to show you it swatched on my hand. It is a really pretty color. So we got the Dirty Little Secret, which is the first one on my hand. So cute. That is a really, really pretty pink. Wow, very, very pretty. Very pretty. So yeah, is it worth $17? I'd say. I mean, it went on really smooth. It's beautiful. And again, about this lemonade, you guys, it smells amazing. It kind of smells like vanilla, cappuccino, some kind of coffee. I'm just so excited about this month. I literally, every single month when I get BoxyCharm, I get so excited because you do get amazing products for literally $20. And this box is valued probably, I think it's over $120. I'm going to go ahead and do the math right now. So we have, I'm going to round it off. So we're going to do 30, 40, 50, 56, 57, 58, 59. Then we add the 17, which would make it 76. So then we have 96. Then we have 96. So this is valued at $111. Literally $111 for all these amazing products. I love, love, love BoxyCharm. If you guys are new here and you guys don't know me, every single month I'm going to be putting out these videos because I love doing these videos. I appreciate and love all my subscribers. I want you guys to know that without you guys, I wouldn't even have a channel. I do appreciate you guys very, very much. And you guys know I'm not perfect and I never claimed to be. But every single day I'm trying to become a better person because I think everybody deserves, to give it their all. And if some people don't like you, that's fine. Not everybody in life is going to like you. But you have to do what's right for yourself. And that is just me coming from experience. I cannot please everybody. Nobody can please every single person. So be the best you. I know you guys hear me always giving little spiels, but you know what? Don't let haters bring you down. I see a lot of negativity, and we just need to bring each other up. We need to be positive and just stick together. I love you guys, and please leave me a comment below. What is your favorite item from this BoxyCharm? And if you received BoxyCharm, was it different? I love you guys. And just know I am going through a lot of stuff. I'm sure everybody in the world is going through their own stuff. But this month is very tough for me. Things are, getting pretty crazy, and chaotic and hectic, but we have to learn from, these moments in our life that things are getting crazy. There's people that care about you and love you. You are loved and you are enough, and don't let anybody bring you down, because that's the last thing we need is more negativity in this world. I see so many crazy things going on the internet right now with, the beauty influencers and just a whole bunch of YouTubers. Let's put all that aside. Let's bring positivity. Let's spread, joy, positive vibes. We all just have to stick together. And I love you guys. And I just want you guys to know that, I really do appreciate all my comments and my support and love. I do get private messages on Facebook. If you do not follow me on Facebook, I have a Facebook, and it's Tiffany Nicole, or Tiffany Nicole Marie Shadley. I have an Instagram as well. You guys can come follow me over there. I do different kinds of things on my Facebook and Instagram if you guys want to come check that out. I do not have a link, but you could just find it looking under. You can even just put Tiffany Shadley and I'll come up. But, you know, let's all stick together. And to all my other YouTubers that watch me and I watch your channel, I just love you guys. And without you guys, like, giving me the support that watch my channel, I wouldn't even have this channel. I do YouTube because I absolutely love making videos. And you guys know I hate going on camera, but I am going to start going on camera very soon. You guys know I'm shy, big baby, but, you know, it's hard to get, like, even though that I know that nobody can see me live, it's just still, it's like I get all shy and nervous. So eventually I will start coming on camera, and I am going to be putting out different kinds of videos. So please bear with me, guys, and stick with me. And just know I love you guys. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, write the comment below what was your favorite item. Have a good day, guys. Bye.